Speaking of TikTok, though, the CEO, he says, I'm out. Enough of all this. Yeah. Enough of that. I was at Disney for 15 years. I was at Disney. It was fine. I was golfing on the weekend. I was pumping. I was a part of the Marvel?
Yeah.
I was a part of the Marvel.
Part of Disney, yeah.
Are you sure about that? I was part of the Star Wars.
Yeah.
I was part of the launch of Disney Plus. It was great. I was playing golf on the weekends.
Yeah.
I was having a barbecue 3 nights during the week. That's how early I got home from work. Fire up the grill.
He was flying high. And
then this brand new opportunity. TikTok, it's all the rage. Every youngster in the world is using it. You're going to give me the CEO role? Oh, I'm there. 15 years, forget about it. See you later, Disney Plus. Walks over across the street, brand new TikTok office. Then Trump wakes up from a nap and says night, night to somebody else. Does that make sense? I don't think he ever naps. He talks about how he never sleeps 4 hours a night because he's constantly watching TikTok thinking about how he's going to ban it.
He calls everyone sleepy.
Everyone else is sleepy because he's never sleeping. So anyways, Trump comes with the thing and the government talking about how they're going to ban ByteDance and TikTok and you got to sell and everything else. And a lot of heat starts coming this guy's direction, Kevin Mayer, because he just signed this big deal. They got the big American executive. And
I mean, he just started a couple months ago.
June 1st.
Yeah.
They get this guy, and then all the heat happens immediately after. And so anyways, he says, enough's enough. I got to go back to the barbecues. I got to go back to the weekend golf. I'm inventing all this, by the way. I mean, this guy's going to say, why does he keep saying I'm golfing and all the rest of it? Yeah. I'm working 24/7. Stop it. Which he might be. He was the Disney's head of streaming. So yeah, big play on it, Disney Plus. He said a couple of things to the employees. In recent weeks, as the political environment has sharply changed, I have done significant reflection on what the corporate structural changes will require and what it means for the global role I signed up for. Against this backdrop, and as we expect to reach a resolution very soon, it is with a heavy heart that I wanted to let you all know that I have decided to leave the company. So part of it here seems to be, Will, that if an acquisition takes place, it won't be for the entire global operation. As we've referenced in the past, all these reports, it will be for the US, Canada, New Zealand, Australia markets will be part of that acquisition. He's very carefully selecting the words. They're saying, I signed up for the global role. I was supposed to be the dude across the world. And well, that part is gone now. And so certain things shifted and changed, and who knows what his role may have been had he stayed on, but it all depends on this sale. And when you have new management, you may have new hiring, and they may not align on strategically. And so he's like, you know what? I'm out right now.
Yeah.
I'm going to quit now. But that's a really short role, it turns out. As I mentioned, I think he came in June 1st, but it was, as you said, it's just a couple of months. Meanwhile, he did 15 years at Disney. He was so comfy.
Yeah.
And it's been a big, a yard sale since he got there.
Yeah. So I guess that Vanessa Pappas girl stepped up, and she's kind of like the interim CEO.
You got an interim.
Yeah.
It's like an interim belt holder in the UFC.
Yeah.
Yeah. People are like, you're not the real. They're like, I'm the interim.
I got the belt.
Belt's sitting right there.
Yeah.
Come and take it.